Long wheelbase BMW X1 and X1 stretch out in Shanghai. The long wheelbase models are 4.6 inches longer than the standard X1 and have a more comfortable rear seat. BMW has introduced the long wheelbase X1 and X1 at the Shanghai Auto Show. Made in China for China, the models measure 181.7 inches, 4,616 millimeters, long and have a wheelbase that spans 110.3 inches, 2,802 millimeters, that makes them 4.6 inches, 116 m, longer than the standard X1 with a wheelbase that has been stretched by 4.3 inches, 110 m. BMW didn't say much about the long wheelbase models, but they follow in the footsteps of the standard crossover and appear to adopt longer rear doors. Those aren't the only changes, as the crossover sports an expansive panoramic glass roof as well as a comfortable rear seat with oodles of legroom. The X1's Drive 20 Li starts at 288,900 yen and features a 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine that develops 154 horsepower, 115 kilowatts, 156 PS, and 170 pound-feet, 230 newton-meters, of torque. It enables the model to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, in 9.2 seconds, before hitting a top speed of 128 miles per hour, 206 kilometers per hour. Chinese customers can also opt for the 25 Li, which starts at 316,900 yen and has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder pumping out 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, 204 PS, and 221 pound-feet, 300 newton-meters, of torque. With the optional all-wheel drive system, the model can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, in 7.7 seconds and top out at 141 miles per hour, 227 kilometers per hour. In terms of equipment, the entry-level 10.1S Drive 20 Li sports LED headlights, a panoramic glass roof, and 18-inch alloy wheels. Inside, there are Veganza leather sport seats, high-gloss black trim, and a leather-wrapped sport steering wheel. They're joined by a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.7-inch infotainment system running OS 9. Long wheelbase BMW X1 and X1 stretch out in Shanghai. BMW had even less to say about the long wheelbase X1, but it features some particularly sophisticated touches for the Chinese market in terms of digitalization. The model also sports a dual-motor all-wheel drive system and a sculpted crystal grille that is fully enclosed. The automaker didn't elaborate, but the European X1 X-Drive 30 has a 64.7 kWh battery pack and a dual-motor all-wheel drive system with a combined output of 308 horsepower, 230 kilowatts, 313 PS, and 364 pound-feet, 494 newton-meters, of torque. This enables the model to hit 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in 5.6 seconds and top out at 112 miles per hour, 180 kilometers per hour. More importantly, it can travel up to 273 miles, 439 kilometers, on a single charge.